In today's fast-paced world, who has the time for tedious chores like vacuuming and mopping? Enter the world of robot vacuums, where innovation meets convenience. If you're in the market for a hands-free cleaning powerhouse, the Ecovacs N30 Omni and the Roomba Combo J7 Plus are two names you'll hear often. However, when it comes to delivering a superior user experience at a lower price, the Ecovacs N30 Omni stands out. Let's dig deeper into why this is the case. Imagine a spotless home where pet hair, cereal flakes, and even stubborn cat food crumbs are no match for your cleaning device. The Ecovacs N30 Omni comes equipped with Zero Tangle 2.0 anti-tangle technology and boasts a powerful 10,000 Pascal suction, unmatched by competitors in the same price range, which typically offer around 5,000 to 7,000 Pascal. Whether it's pet hair under the couch or crumbs in the kitchen, the N30 Omni handles it all with ease. Corners and edges are no longer the Achilles heel of robotic vacuums. With true-edge technology, the N30 Omni ensures that every nook and cranny gets the attention it needs, leaving no dirt behind. This feature gives you cleaner corners and edges, areas where dirt often hides away. For those who need more than just a vacuum, the N30 Omni excels in mopping too. Featuring dual rotating discs, it scrubs away stubborn stains that other mops barely touch. From sticky juice spills in the kitchen to mud tracks in the hallway, the N30 Omni makes light work of tough stains, ensuring your floors are not only clean, but gleaming. Here's where the Ecovacs N30 Omni truly shines. While the N30 Omni stands out with its powerful dual rotating discs designed to scrub away even the most stubborn stains, the irobot J7 Plus combo takes a more basic approach. Its mopping function is adequate for light surface cleaning, but lacks the deep cleaning power of the N30 Omni. The J7 Plus combo is more suited for routine vacuuming with light mopping, rather than tackling tougher messes like sticky spills or mud. While it offers smart navigation and automation, its mopping capabilities fall short compared to the N30 Omni's superior stain removal performance. Here's where the Ecovacs N30 Omni truly stands apart. Unlike the Roomba Combo J7 Plus, which offers a self-emptying base station but requires constant manual intervention, such as refilling the water tank every time it runs dry, the N30 Omni delivers a genuine hands-free experience. The J7 Plus may automate some aspects of vacuuming, but when it comes to mopping, you'll find yourself frequently refilling the tank and handling more manual tasks. In contrast, the N30 Omni's all-in-one base station takes automation to the next level. Not only does it empty the vacuum, but it also washes the mop and automatically refills the water tank. This integrated system minimizes user involvement, allowing you to simply fill its clean water tank occasionally and then enjoy an extended period of truly hands-free cleaning. The difference is clear. With the N30 Omni, your role in the process is dramatically reduced, making it far more convenient for busy lifestyles compared to the more labor-intensive J7 Plus. When it comes to user experience, the Ecovacs N30 Omni outshines its competitors, providing intuitive control and seamless integration with your smart home system. With its user-friendly mobile app, setting up cleaning schedules and customizing cleaning patterns is a breeze, perfect for anyone who values ease of use. Through the app, users can create customized cleaning schedules, adjust settings like vacuum power and water flow, and choose specific cleaning modes. The app's 3D mapping feature generates a detailed virtual map of your home, allowing you to direct the robot to specific areas and set virtual boundaries to avoid certain spaces. It also includes notifications for accessory maintenance, ensuring optimal performance over time. Similarly, the irobot Home app for the Roomba Combo J7 Plus offers advanced features such as personalized cleaning routines by labeling rooms, setting schedules, and directing the robot to specific areas. The app integrates with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free control. Additionally, it provides proactive maintenance alerts and dirt disposal notifications, ensuring the vacuum stays in peak condition. Battery life can make or break the effectiveness of a robotic cleaner, especially in larger homes. The Ecovacs N30 Omni is powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that ensures up to 320 minutes of runtime on a single charge, making it suitable for cleaning spacious areas without interruption. In contrast, the Roomba Combo J7 Plus offers a comparatively shorter runtime of up to 180 minutes, meaning it may require more frequent recharges for extensive cleaning tasks. Both models eventually return to their charging base when power runs low, but the N30 Omni's bigger battery size and advanced software enable a more efficient cleaning pattern, minimizing unnecessary battery drain. Ecovacs offers a robust customer support system, including a comprehensive online help center, efficient email support, and a responsive helpline. This support structure provides users with peace of mind, knowing that assistance is readily available if issues arise. Furthermore, the N30 Omni comes with a 12-month warranty, ensuring long-term reliability and customer satisfaction. Similarly, irobot, the manufacturer of the Roomba Combo J7 Plus, also offers dependable customer service and a standard 12-month warranty. In conclusion, if you're looking for a powerful, efficient, and affordable cleaning solution, the Ecovacs N30 Omni is your best bet. With its superior vacuuming and mopping capabilities, coupled with a genuine hands-free base station, it offers unmatched convenience and performance, all at a price that won't break the bank. Both the Ecovacs N30 Omni and the Roomba Combo J7 Plus present strong cases as top-tier robotic vacuums. However, the N30 Omni edges out its Roomba competitor in several key areas, including superior vacuuming and mopping performance, cost-effectiveness, and a truly hands-free cleaning experience thanks to its all-in-one base station. With better user experience and a longer battery life, the N30 Omni sets a new standard for what consumers should expect from their robotic cleaning devices. For anyone seeking a device that combines reliability, innovation, and economy, the Ecovacs N30 Omni emerges as the clear winner. It's the ultimate choice for those who wish to embrace the future of home cleaning technology without compromising on performance or their budget. With the N30 Omni, elevated convenience and pristine floors are now within your reach. Upgrade to the Ecovacs N30 Omni today and experience the future of effortless home cleaning. Thanks for tuning in to our review. Be sure to explore more about these amazing products through the links in the description. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe with notifications turned on so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.